Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are safe and sound at your home. In previous video, we have learnt about subtraction, but sometimes you must be facing some problems while doing subtraction. Is my answer correct or not? Here, I have a solution for your problem. So, by using that trick, you can easily check it out that you have done the subtraction sums correctly or not. By using this trick, you can check your answers by yourself. Let's see how to do. 879 minus 358. Shall we subtract? Okay. First, subtract the numbers in the ones place. We should subtract 8 from 9. 8 in the mind, 8 after 9. That is one finger. So, write 1 in ones place. Next, subtract the digits which are in tens place. Subtract 5 from 7. 5 in the mind, 5 after 6, 7. There are 2 fingers. So, write 2 in tens place. Next, subtract the digits which are in hundreds place. Subtract 3 from 8. So, 3 in the mind, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 5 fingers. Write 5 in hundreds place. Now the answer is 521. Before check the answer, I am going to introduce 3 terms in subtraction. First one, minuend. Second, subtrahend. And the third is difference. I'll explain these terms with an example. 9 minus 5. The answer is 4. Here 9 is the bigger number. So 9 is minuend and 5 is the number which is taken away from 9 or subtracted from 9. So 5 is called subtrahend. The answer, that is 4, is difference. Let's check the answer which we have already done it. Here 879 is the bigger number, that is called minuend, and 358 is subtrahend. The answer 521 is difference. Children, I'll say you a logic here. If we add the difference and the subtrahend, we will get the minuend. Shall we check? Okay. 521 plus 358. Let's add these. 8 plus 1, 9. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 5, 8. Now the answer is 879. Next example. 504 minus 256. Let's subtract. Subtract the numbers in ones place. Here in ones place we have 4 minus 6. But we cannot subtract 6 from 4. So we have to borrow 110 from the number in tens place. But there is no number in tens place. 0 is there. So we have to borrow 100 from 500s. Now 5 becomes 4 and 0 becomes 10. That is 10 tens. Now we can borrow from tens place. That is, borrow 1 10 from 10 tens. Here 10 becomes 9 and 4 becomes 14. Now we can subtract it easily. Subtract 6 from 14. 6 in mind. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 8 fingers. So write 8 in ones place. Next, subtract 5 from 9. 5 in mind. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 4 fingers. So write 4 in tens place. Finally, subtract 2 from 4. 2 in mind. After 2, 3, 4. There are 2 fingers. So write 2 in hundreds place. Now the answer is 248. Let's check. Here 504 is minuend, 256 is subtrahend, and the answer 248 is difference. Now we add the difference with subtrahend, that is 248 plus 256. Shall we add? 8 plus 6 is 14. That is 10 plus 4. 4 ones and 1 tens. Write 4 in ones place and 1 will carry forward to the tens place. Now we will add the numbers in tens column. That is 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 5 is 10. Write 0 in tens column and 1 will carry forward to the hundreds place. Now we will add the numbers in hundreds place. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 2 is 5. Now the answer is 504. Thank you, children.